Welcome to part 2 of this painting tutorial. We're now working on the foreground using some primary cyan and French ultramarine, filling in this white area as a base colour for the greenery. Using this small filbert brush, I'm going to make a green colour, starting with a mix of white and lemon yellow and mixing in with the blues and making various leaf and bush shapes using the tip of this brush. Adding some yellow ochre for the next bush. Using more lemon yellow and white, by painting leaves along the top edge of the blue, we can soften the shape. Adding extra white for lighter areas. The harsh contour of the blue has nearly disappeared. Mixing in some more yellow ochre. I'm going to create a little more contrast by adding white and the lighter yellow to the clouds. And now a soft warm mix of red, crimson, yellow, ochre and white. Now using some primary cyan with the yellow to create some more leaves in the foreground, and these will stand out against the leaf shapes that we made before. adding lighter leaves to the darker areas. You can see that the blue is the centre of the bush. A few darker tones in between for shadow. Now we're going to make a tree, so for the trunk I'm using the mauve, some white and French ultramarine, and I'm doing a curve that's slightly off centre, slightly to the left. And I'll make some wavy branches. We're going to make some lighter tones, some highlights, using yellow, ochre and white, and this is going down the trunk and along some of the branches. A few leaves, using greens and yellow, making similar shapes that we used in the foreground. Adding a few highlights. And on the left we'll have a few darker leaves. Adding some crimson flowers. A little white and cadmium red, and a bit of yellow and white. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this tutorial, and please join me next time.